Welcome to Mukam Coding Mentors channel. This is our fifth tutorial on C++ programming language. In last section we have seen how we have used data types and variables for arithmetic, logical, binary functions. Now we are going to see how the control structure will be helpful. So in C++ language we follow a linear procedure for solving any problem, right from main function till the main function end. But there can be time where we need a decision making solution. So like if we want an iteration or condition that will just repeat the code or check your conditions properly, for that all that verification we need control structure. If I will give you a real world example, there can be a time where you want to print statements 2-3 number of times, or if you wish to check if the number is even or odd. So for all that condition we need to use control structures. So control structures definition. Let's see the control structure definition. Control structure are used for evaluating a condition for an ease of making decision. So by this statement you have understood that for making decision the control structure are used. Following are the different types of control structures or statements in C++ programming language. So you can see how the control structure are subdivided into different types. So conditional structure will operate on conditional format, and looping will do its operation of looping. Apart from this, we have certain jump statements like break, continue and go to statements. So in which assist in C++ which assist in manipulating the flow of program executions. So these keywords are used to alter the normal flow of the program. Following are those statements. The break statement used in terminating the loop immediately after it is encountered. So break will give a break to your program. Continue statement skip the rest of the loop statement and causes the next iteration of the loop to take place. So it will continue your format of flow. Go to statements will directly make you jump to another part of your program. Is used for altering the normal sequence of program execution by transferring the control to some other part of the program. So we will see a practical implementation of this later in further tutorials. So C++ if statements. The following is the discussion of the how if statement be used in our program. The syntax of if statement is if condition will be checked. If the condition will come true, then the body of the bracket means body of if statement will be executed. If the condition will turn out to be false, then it will skip all this thing and the program will flow in its normal linear. Let's move to the practical implementation of if statements. So this is the small program to check if the number is positive, negative or 0. So I have declared just one variable int, and for that operations to check if the number is positive, negative or 0, I have told the user to type a number. Here you can see this line, 9th number line, is saying enter an integer. That number will be taken to the variable. If the number is greater than 0, then this cout statement you entered a positive number will be printed and your variable whichever you have typed will be shown. Otherwise, if the condition is greater than 0 less than 0 means if the condition is greater than 0, then positive number will be printed as a. So in another form it will see if the number is less than 0. If the number will be less than 0, negative integer will be displayed, and in the third point it is showing that you entered 0, which will say that if the number is not greater than or less than 0, then the entered number is 0. So let's see, compile and execute this. Yes, so User will type suppose -9, then the output will be displayed. Okay guys, I hope you understood how the if condition will be used along with else if nested if. Okay. So that's it for today. I hope you have understood certain basic types of control structures, and if you have understood it, please like to our channel, subscribe, and keep learning. Bye.